In this video, we'll learn some shortcut tricks of math that usually most often come in your exam. So if you know the tricks, then you can apply it in your exam hall and you can solve those maths very easily. So let's do. Have a look at the first question. 3 men or 9 boys do a work in 60 days. 11 men and 27 boys can do that work in how many days? So first of all, we'll see that how to do this math in a longer version, and then we'll learn the shortcut tricks of this math. Okay, so here you can see from the first sentence that 3 men is equal to 9 boys. Then we can find out that 1 man is equal to how many boys. So if 3 men is equal to 9 boys, then 1 man equal to will be fewer boys, so it will be division, right? 9 divided by 3 equal to 3 boys. Now find out that 11 men is equal to how many boys. Why we're gonna find out 11 men is equal to how many boys? Because we're converting men into boys. You can do the vice versa. You can convert boys into men, but in this math I'm just converting men into boys. So see, if 1 man is equal to 3 boys, then 11 men will be more boys, right? So it will be multiplication here. So 3 multiplied by 11 is equal to 33 boys. So 9 boys do the work in 60 days. Okay, so 1 man can do the work. If 9 boys do the work in 60 days, that particular work, if 1 boy want to complete, then he will take more days, right? So when there will be more, then there will be multiplication. So 60 multiplied by 9 days. Now 60 boys do the work. So if 1 boy do the work in how many days? 60 boys will take some fewer time than than 1 boy, one single boy. Okay, so then it will be division, right? So 60 multiplied by 9 divided by 60. This is the basic in knowledge of this sort of maths, right? So how we found out 60 boys. So we'll see. You see that we found that 11 men here. 11 men is equal to 33 boys, and there are 27 boys. So 27 plus 33 is equal to 60 boys. Okay, this is how we have found 60 boys. Now we'll have a look at the shortcut. This formula, you see the formula there. First man multiplied by first boy multiplied by first day divided by first man multiplied by second boy plus second man divided multiplied by first boy. So here first man, where is the first man? So in the first sentence we get the first man multiplied by first boy. This is the first boy. So 3 multiplied by 9 and multiplied by first day. So first day is 60 days. So 3 into 9 into 60 divided by first man here, first man 3 into second boy. So second boy comes in the second sentence, right? So second boy is 27. So 3 multiplied by 27 plus second man, where's second man? Yeah, 11 multiplied by first boy. First boy is here 9. So 9 multiplied by 11. 9 multiplied by 11. So we get 3 multiplied by 27 is equal to 81 plus 9 multiplied by 11 is equal to 99, equal to 180. So if we cut this, we do this math, we get 9 days. So here you can see both the results are same. So here is this is the longer version, and this is the shortcut technique. So if you know this, you can do this, solve this math within few seconds in your exam, right? And if you don't have that, you're not allowed to use your calculator. And if you know going to break down this math is this like this for 1 mark MCQ question, it gonna kill your time, it gonna consume a lot of time, right? So you can save you a lot of time here if you apply this technique. Have a look at another math. 2 men can do the work of 3 boys. 4 men and 10 boys can do a work in 21 days. How many days 6 men and 15 boys will take to do the work? Let's solve it. Here we can see from the first sentence that 2 men is equal to 3 boys. Also, we as usual, we're gonna convert men into boy, or you can do boys into men, anything you pick up. So 2 men is equal to 3 boys, so 1 man is equal to 3 divided by 2 boys. So 4 men, here 4 men is equal to 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 2 boys. So we get 6 boys, right? Likewise, we can do that. If we can find out 4 men equal to how many boys, then we can find out here 6 men equal to how many boys, right? 3 multiplied by 6 divided by 2. Just follow these rules, like 2 men equal to 3 boys, 1 man equal to how many boys, then 6 men equal to how many boys. So you get your result, right? So 6 men equal to 9 boys. Now 16 boys can do the work and in 21 days. So how have we where is 16 boys? How have we found it? So here 4 men is equal to 6 boy, right? We have found out that 4 men is equal to 6 boy plus 10 boys. So we've converted men into boys, so we're not taking this number of men. Instead of taking this, we have to take the number of boys we have converted, right? So 6 boys plus 10 boys is equal to 16 boys. So 16 boys can do the work in 21 days. So 1 boy can do the work in more days, right? One boy will take more days than 16 boys to do that particular work. So there will be multiplication, 21 multiplied by 16. So 24 boys can do the work in fewer days, right? Then there will be division. So how we have found 24 boys? 6 men. We have found that 6 men is equal to 9 boys, right? Plus 15 boys. So we'll not take this number, the 6 men. Instead of that, we'll take the number of boys that we have converted from men to boys, right? So 9 boys plus 15 boys is equal to 24 boys can do the work in fewer days. So there's a division. 24 will be the denominator. If we calculate it, we get the answer 14 days. Okay, so see, if before doing this solution, if we look at the math, you may find it very difficult, but if we break it down, you may find it very simple, right? You're finding it very simple, right? So let's solve another math. It's funnier method, so we're gonna have fun with solving this math. If 8 spiders make 8 webs in 8 days, then 4 spiders will make 4 webs in how many days? Okay, let's do it. 8 spiders make 8 webs in 8 days. So 1 spider makes 1 web in how many days? So we can break this down part by part. We could have gone like 1 spider makes one spiders make 8 waves in how many days, then 1 spider makes 1 wave. So we'll not do this longer. We will not make this more long, right? So we can do this, like if we have the basic sense of this such math, then we don't need to unnecessarily long do the longer version of this math, so we can you know we can save our time. So spiders make 8 waves in 1 day, in 8 days. So one spider makes, suppose if we would have made another line like one spider makes 8 waves, then it would take more days, right? Then it would be like 88 multiplied by 8. So here is you see 8 multiplied by 8, but instead of 8 days, if one spider had to make one wave, then it would take fewer days. So there'll be division, right? So 8 multiplied by 8 divided by 8. So according to the rest of the part of this question, 4 spider will make 4 waves in how many days? So in comparison to one spider, 4 spiders will take fewer time to make it will take 4 spiders will take fewer time to make one web. So 4 will be the denominator, but when 4 spiders make 4 waves instead of one wave, so it will take more time, right? So this 4 will be the numerator. So that's why this 4 is used as numerator, and this 4 will go as the denominator. So if we do this calculation, we get 8 days. Okay.